How do I export a video to Adobe Premiere Pro for uploading to YouTube? To export a video from Adobe Premiere Pro for uploading to YouTube, start by using the I and O keys to set the in and out points for the video. Segment you want to export, then go to the File menu, select Export, and choose Media. For the video format, YouTube recommends using H.264, so choose that option and set the preset to Custom. You can also choose the location where you want to save the file and rename it if you prefer. In the Video tab, check the resolution of the video. YouTube supports frame rates between 25 and 60 FPS, but it's best to use 25 FPS for optimal upload. For bitrate encoding, you can choose between CBR or VBR2 pass. YouTube recommends using VBR2 pass. The recommended target, bitrate, and maximum bitrate depend on your resolution. For 1080p, the target bitrate should be 8 megabits per second and the maximum bitrate 12 megabits per second. If you want higher quality rendering, you can check the Use Maximum Render Quality box, but know that this will make the rendering process slower. Next, go to the Audio tab and leave the audio format set to AAC. YouTube supports any audio bitrate, but the recommended setting is 320 kilobits per second. In the Multiplexer tab, leave the settings as MP4 and Standard. You can customize the rest of the settings as needed. Once everything looks good, click Export and your video will be ready for upload to YouTube. Thanks for watching and have a great day.